Hi, my name is Jimmy Rogers with the Tom George Yacht Group. Thank you for joining me today aboard the beautiful Nova Marine 80 Dream Chaser. This yacht has been owned by its current owner since 2011 and underwent an extensive refit in 2012 with many upgrades mechanically and cosmetically, and has been maintained to the highest standards ever since. This yacht is very unique and set apart from others in its class by its exquisite accommodations, with 3 master staterooms with separate entries and own en-suite heads, and an additional 4 stateroom for sleeping of up to 8, plus crew. Come on aboard, let's take a closer look. Thanks for joining me today aboard the Dream Chaser. If you have any questions or would like to schedule an appointment to see this fine yacht, please call me or email me or shoot me a text. Thanks, and hope to see you soon.